Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost your FPS on Roblox, how you can fix FPS drops, how you can fix stuttering, lagging and freezing as well. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here, if you're using PC, open up Task Manager, and then on Task Manager go to processes and end all the tasks that you don't need while playing the game. So in my case, I don't need as you can see here, Vanguard. I can't turn that off. I can turn off a bunch of different tasks, but of course, and all these tasks that you know that won't break your computer. And also go to details and then not details, startup apps, and always disable apps on a startup screen, because when computer turns on, it will if it's enabled, automatically turn on a bunch of different apps that also can slow your computer. So if you install something on your PC, always go here and disable a status here, right? And then what you need to do here next is to go to settings, go to a Windows update, check for updates, and if there is an update on your operating system, always update to the latest one. Same thing with your GPU. You go to NVIDIA app if you're using NVIDIA GPU or other apps depending on your GPU. Go to drivers, check for drivers and install the latest drivers as well. And the next thing what we need to do here is to right click on your desktop, show more options, and go to NVIDIA control panel. And I will show you what you need to do here first, right? So go to change resolution, select your right monitor, make sure your resolution is native here, then go to refresh rate and set maximum amount here, then go to configure surround and 5.6 and make sure processor is your GPU, not your CPU. Then what you need to do here is to manage 3D settings. Scroll down a bit until you see G-Sync compatible. Make sure it's G-Sync compatible or fixed refresh. If there is monitor technology on your PC, then go to power management mode, make sure it's prefer maximum performance, then go to prefer refresh rate, make sure it's highest available. Then you need to make sure that texture filtering and isotrophic sample option is on. Texture filtering quality, make sure it's high performance, super important here. And then texture filtering, trilinear optimization and threaded optimization, make sure it's on. And then turn off vertical sync, and virtual reality pre-rendered frames should be on too. And here apply changes, right? And the next step, what we need to do here is to go to settings, then go to, as you can see here, game bar, and turn off game bar, and then go back on game mode, and make sure game mode is enabled, right? Then what we need to do here, go to services, not settings, go to services, then click on one of the tasks here, press S until you see sysmain. So let's look for sysmain, right click on it, go to and press on stop, and then right click again, go to properties, and then startup type, make sure it's disabled, right? Next step, what we need to do here is you can close this window. Then you need to look for Roblox app, right click on it. Again, it's for Roblox player, open file location. Again, right click on Roblox player, open file location, and then here it will be Roblox player beta.exe file. Right click on it, then go to properties, compatibility, make sure to disable full screen optimizations, and then select change high DPI settings. Select this, select application, okay, apply. And then once you're here on this file folder, what you need to do here is to copy the path. Just press on the blank space on the link bar here, and then go to graphic settings. Graphic settings, make sure that advanced graphic display expand option, and go to hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, make sure it's enabled, and then optimizations for Windows games is on as well. And then press add a desktop app, then paste the path that we copied, and then just add Roblox player beta.exe file, and then it should appear somewhere here, so you just need to find it. So I just found three tasks. So Roblox game client, expand option, GPU preference, make sure it's high performance, and then optimizations for windowed games selected. Roblox player launcher, if there is, just set up everything related to Roblox if there is not one task. And then Roblox player exe, also make sure it's high performance. So everything related to Roblox set to high performance on this task list. Then another thing that you need to do here is to go and search and just write edit power plan, and on power plan go to power options here, then select ultimate performance. If ultimate performance there is no ultimate performance, select a high performance here, and then you can close this window here. Then go and search again, and then you just need to write view advanced system settings. Then on here you need to be on advanced section, go to settings, then again on advanced, and then select virtual memory and press change, and then take down this button here, then select the disk where your game is installed, usually on disk C, then select custom size, and on this window here you need to open up system information and look how much RAM do you have on your PC. In my case, as you can see here, 16 gigabytes of RAM. So you need to pull out your calculator, and then you need to put your RAM value times 1024, and then this number you'll get. You need to also time 1.5, duplicate by 1.5, and then on initial size you need to write that particular number that you got. In my case, 24,576. And on maximum size, again, your RAM value, for me 16, for you can be 32, 8, whatever your RAM value is, times 1024, and then duplicate this number by 3, right? And it will be 49,152. And then you just need to press set, and then press OK, right? And then I just need to restart my computer to changes take effect, right? And the next thing what we need to do here is to go to storage settings, and then look for, as you can see here, installed apps, not installed apps. Again, storage, and then here it will be temporary files, and then delete all the temporary files that you have. You can leave downloads if you want to, and then just remove all the files, right? And the next thing what we need to do here is to write run or press Windows and I key. Then you just need to write %update to %, and then look for Roblox folder. And as you can see here, if there is no Roblox folder, you're good to go. And if there is, you just need to delete it from here, or on local. Here should be Roblox folder as well. You just need to delete it. Don't worry about it. It's just the cache files. It won't affect your game, right? And then the next step, what we need to do here is to maybe you need to just re-log into your account. And the next thing what you need to do here, if you're experiencing lag, network issues, open up browser, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. Then what you need to do here, open up command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and then you need to here write just IP config space / flush DNS, and another command is nesh space winsock space reset, right? After that, you can close this. You can go to settings. You can go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and expand your network here, more adapter options. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. Don't worry about it, it's just the Google DNS servers, so you can try it and look if you get better internet connection. And then again, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again, and if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go here. You don't need to do nothing. And then just go to Roblox, some sort of minigame, press escape, go to settings, and then you can tweak your settings here. Maximum frame rate, make sure the maximum amount that your monitor has, in my case is 240. And then you need to scroll down a bit until you see, as you can see here, graphics mode, and then select manual here. And then make sure, if you're getting lags, stutters and freezes, minimize your graphic quality a bit. So for example, let's leave it with 1 and look if the problem persists or not. Reduce motion, make sure it's off, and then yeah, that's pretty much it what you need to do here. And yeah, that's it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.